Hello and welcome to this tutorial on using the InstaDUB software to automatically add user tags and user mentions to any images you may be posting. Whether that is posting images via the upload directory, watch folder, RSS, reaction, shoutouts or image reposting. All these images can have a caption, meaning you can add caption mentions, and they will all allow you to post user tags. I'll just bring up an image showing you what these are. So here's an image. If you saw some of the previous tutorials, you would have saw the reposting. So here we've got a user tag, just where some users have been tagged in the image who may be interested in the image. The real feature is to be used, I would tag these people in the image, but I'm really just using it to get their attention, to see my image, like it, follow me. So they are user tags. User mentions are where you provide a ampersand, at sign, I don't think it is. It's an at sign and then the username. So we can add these automatically. So how do we do it? There are two ways. If you are just uploading images, then the way you would want to do it, you would want to specify either completely the users who you exactly want to mention in the image. Perhaps you've run some scrapes and some filters and these users are highly targeted and you just want to give them an extra nod for coming along to check out your images and your account. If you're not quite so highly targeted, you might want to go for the shotgun approach. You're just going to scrape users from a search and then you're going to tag them or mention them in the image. As we are only uploading from our folder, we are going to have to perform a search and based on a keyword. Now down here we can perform this search or scrape for each image we are uploading. You may want to do that if the search you are searching is a high traffic keyword, meaning we're going to post an image, we are going to run a scrape, here it says hip hop, and we're going to scrape 3 users and then we're going to mention those users in our image. That, depending on your connection and the processing you're doing on the image, that could happen every few seconds, maybe every 10 seconds. If you have a high traffic keyword, every 10 seconds you're going to be performing your scrape, you might get some new users. So you're going to get some really recently active users and you're going to mention them. Hopefully they'll notice a notification and see your image. If you're just going to be searching on a standard keyword and there is not new images every few seconds, then you probably just want to perform the search once at the beginning of the action. If we're going to be posting 10 images and we want 3 tags per image, we're going to scrape 30 users at the beginning and then we'll scroll through those 30, mentioning 3 users each image post. So how you do that is up to you. You would specify a custom search. More information on custom searches, it will be in the custom search tutorial, but basically you just specify how to find users. So here, if I'm going to be uploading hip-hop related images for my hip-hop related account, I'm going to pass into the search hip-hop and then I'm going to do a hashtag search, get the creator of the media. Just basically get the users who've posted an image recently with the tag hip-hop. Chances are they're going to be interested in my images related to hip-hop. Another way, perhaps, you want to get the creator of the media, then get their followers. Just gives you a wider pool of users. But that's more to do with custom searching rather than actual user tags, user mentions. The other way we can do this, if you are reposting, if you are doing a shout out, then you are reacting to a user. The shout out is reacting to the user who maybe followed you. A repost, you are reposting a media which you've found on Instagram, and the user who originally uploaded that media you have access to. So we're going to be talking through tags and mentions relating to image reposting. So I want to scrape some deep house images. This will perhaps find me 3 images which I'm going to repost. I could specify specific users here, but I want to scrape users based on the account which uploaded the image originally. This means what will happen is InstaDUB will scrape an image. Let's say we'll call that image 1. Image 1 was uploaded by account 1. So we want to then scrape the followers of account 1. And we're going to mention the followers of the account who uploaded the image. And we're going to mention them in our image. If they are following that account who's uploading images which are related to our account, chances are they may be interested in our account and they'll follow us back, or at least we'll get a few likes. So let's tag 8 users. Do note, if you are going to be posting a lot of images with a lot of tags, do try to keep it down. Instagram will block your captions if you have too many hashtags and too many mentions. Do be aware that if you are referencing the original caption when you are reposting, they may also have lots of hashtags and mentions. So that's all set up. We're going to be searching for the followers of the user who posted the image we are reposting. So, okay. We also want to tag the users. We're just going to tag, not the same users, followers. Quick note here. Because it's a custom search module, the program does have to try to work out how many users should it scrape for each stage. If you only got one stage, it probably needs to scrape a few more than if you have got 10 different stages. If it overscrapes too many users for each stage, then it's going to be perhaps hammering Instagram servers a bit much. If you think you've got a better idea of how many users should be scraped at each stage, you can specify the limit here. So I want to scrape 20 each stage. But I'm only going to post 5. That means if I'm going to scrape 20 and I'm going to post 5, I'm going to post a random 5 user tags. This means probably we're going to be posting different user tags to the users we are mentioning. If you are going to give the users a mention, you might as well utilize tags for some different users. Again, we're going to do the user ID. So let me just fix that. So let's do that for 10. Right. Then once that's all set up, as we are mentioning the users, we do need to include the caption mentions tag token to the caption. Here it is. This will be replaced by the users that we are mentioning. So if you specify to mention users but you don't include this token, then you are not going to actually mention anyone. So that's all set up now. I'll just run that quickly for you so we can see how the tags and mentions look. All being well, that will just work perfectly. We're logging in. There's our search deep house. It's probably going to have to do a few searches to find the users that we're going to tag and mention. It should all come up here. We're downloading the media. We've downloaded it. Perform a custom search. There's some users to mention. It's flying by. There's the original caption. As soon as the image has been uploaded to our account, we should see the URL appear here, and I'll bring it into the browser just to show you it is all working. Right, where are we? Here we go. Success. Oh, scrolled away a bit quick there. Got it. Right. So here we go, Mr. Root Jazz. This user's already liked it. It's pretty good. Here's the message. The original by, and I give a mention to the original poster, Beats by Pacino. The caption is "Catch This One, My First Vocal EP." some of those dumb images everyone uses, hashtags from the original, and here are my mentions. Click the image to see the tags. Great, and you see all these users here. So that's how you can automatically tag and mention users in your image posting. For more tutorials, come to the forum where they should be linked. At the forum you can also post any questions, any problems you may have, issues, suggestions, improvement ideas. Come along, rootjazz.com/forum, and you can find more forums on the YouTube channel, youtube.com/rootjazzvideos. That's our channel ID, rootjazzvideos. Thanks for watching.